हैं ये नारों के साथ, इनको चाहिए इस बिल का साथ दें और इस बिल को पास करने के अंदर हुकूमत का साथ दें, क्योंकि ये बिल जो है मैं समझता हूँ और हम ये साथ समझते हैं कि बिल जो है इट विल एनहांस द जुडिशियल इंडिपेंडेंस which is the cornerstone of the Constitution of Pakistan by making suo motu powers not susceptible to the whims and arbitrary actions of the one man, and furthermore it takes away external influences, if any, bearing on the Chief Justice of Pakistan in the exercise of this power. Bill, as a matter of fact, has filled the vacuum. It has taken away appearance of dictatorship by one man, and which Justice Mansoor Ali Shah has called imperial court run by one man. Keeping all this thing in mind, I will urge this House to pass this bill unanimously. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Senator Janab Kamran Murtaza Sahab. Senator Kamran Murtaza Sahab. जी जी कामरान मुर्तजा साहब का माइक खोलें जी।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुक्रिया जनाब स्पीकर। मेरे वो बहन भाई जो शोर मचा रहे हैं, जो नारे लगा रहे हैं,